Hey guys, my name is Laurie McCowan with Cavity Sliders. I'm here this morning with Travis Hundley from Western Pacific Building Materials here in Austin. But firstly, Travis, tell us a little bit about yourself and Western Pacific as a business and what you guys do here for your customers.
Thank you. I started with Western Pacific in 1999, and our vision for the company is to supply custom home builders with quality products on time. And that being said, I focused on the semi-custom and custom builder and to service their needs. And as the market started to develop, we realized that the architects and designers are incorporating pocket door frames more consistently and needing a quality product that performs reliably and consistently. And so that's when the process of Cavity got introduced to our shop.
Fantastic. Awesome. Tell us a little bit about the evolution of the use of the Cavity Sliders, how it came about versus what was originally being used and perhaps some market feedback and how it's going.
Okay. When the product rolled out, we had just the track at the time.
Okay.
And then since then you've expanded the product line to include the aluminum frame assembly. And the progression of the industry has gone from a basic door, which is 6'8" in height, hollow core, to a solid core door, to almost consistently an 8.0 door on every house, especially in this market. And then the doors have expanded from 1 3/8" to 1 3/4. So at the end of the day, the weight of a door has tripled. The architects and the designers are wanting to hide the door.
Sure.
They're wanting a pocket system that's reliable. And so we've responded as a company to offer the cavity track assembly, not just in a wood case that we build here in-house, but we also have adopted the aluminum frame assembly, and we supply an assembled unit that is sized based on the builder's needs. So when the builder and the carpenter rolls out on the job site, they can put it into the hole and install it without any further work.
There you go. So as a manufacturer and for the supply chain, when Travis says they cater to those custom door sizes, that's a real value add, because this product is received in a kit set, and you're going to meet Robbie outside. Robbie cuts the frame to size in accordance with the custom door size that's necessary, assembles it, and then adds the finish trim so that the finished carpenter or the builder receives the pocket frame prefabricated, it goes into the opening, and it's done. So as we mentioned, that level of service and value add is what separates Travis and Western Pacific from a lot of other players out there.